Yo, Tech Fam! Today, we've brought you a watch that's going to make you super cool. This is the Noise Ultra 3 Luminary, with the world's first personalized notification alerts. Let's dive in. Display design 1. 96-inch AMOLED display, so sharp it feels like you're watching a cinema on your wrist. And with the always-on display, there's no need to press a button to check the time. Plus, the premium metallic dial will have you feeling like an absolute boss. Now, even checking the time feels VIP. Battery life? Charge it once, and you're sorted for days. It's more powerful than your Monday motivation. Features: Lumilert Lumiping personalized notifications. Meet Lumilert, you'll never miss an important alert again. And with the Lumiping feature, you can send up to 5 emojis with just a tap. It's the new way to share your feelings with your mates. This sends me more texts than my ex. Health tracking: real-time health tracking with the Noise Health Suite. Now, your heart rate, stress levels, and calories are all in check. Staying fit just got a whole lot easier. Connectivity: Bluetooth 5.2 connection, lightning fast. Your watch and phone will become best mates in no time. Even my friends don't connect this fast. So, are you ready to level up your wrist game? Check out the Noise Ultra 3 Luminary. Subscribe to Tonic, and comment on which feature you think is the coolest. Stay smart, stay connected.